Hello kids, how are you all? I hope that all are fit and fine at home. Okay. It's because of the COVID-19. Okay. So we learned for the online classes. Okay, and it's about your government book. Okay, and it's for the standard fourth English medium section there, and there is a EVS. Okay, EVS subject there. Okay, it's a government book. So you must open that. There is a chapter number 11 in the orchid, and it is for the English medium section also. So now we are there is a two chapter continues there, chapter 11 and 12 both. Okay, now we are on the 11 number chapter in the orchid. Okay, so in the orchid it's a story about one girl. The name of her Ratan. Okay, she was a very little girl. Okay, she was studying in a standard fourth. Okay, like you. Okay, so she was studying in standard four, and one time she was going with her grandfather in a village. Okay, in a village when the vacation of our school. Okay, vacation of school is in a, just like in a summer. Okay, there is a when she was going with she was going with her grandfather. Grandfather take her to one orchard. Okay, which is near to her village. Okay, it is when she was going there. It's look, wow, what a wonderful atmosphere there. Everywhere greenery. There is a different types of flowers, different types of trees. There are different types of fruit trees also. Okay, she is wandering here and there and enjoying the atmosphere of there. Okay, and her grandfather was busy his routine work, just like to eat grass to buffaloes, cows. Okay, means there is just like a farmhouse. Okay, there is a buffaloes, cows, all are oxen, all are there. Okay, and the grandfather feed them, and the Ratan was wondering, wow, what a atmosphere in when she was living in a city area. Okay, so there is not trees like this village. Okay, so she's looking wandering here and there, and oh wow, what an atmosphere, what a trees. And grandfather informed her to about different types of plants, different types of fruit plants, different types of flower plants. Okay, some are in a pot, small pot. Okay, so small pot, just like rose plant, just like tulsi plant. Okay, which is the value of, and her grandfather inform about the value of this plant also. Okay, so if there is a rose also different in color. Okay, there is a red, there is a pink, there is a white, there is a yellow. Okay, and there is a tulsi plant also there. And he was the grandfather of Ratan informed her about the tulsi. Tulsi is very useful to us. Okay, we pray this plant. Why? Because it is the value of it. Okay, then it's a very unique most medicines. Okay, Ayurvedic medicines made by from this plant. This plant, their leaves also useful. Okay, it's a medicinal plant. Okay, and there is a when she was wondering, he said, oh, where big plant there. Okay, there is a plant of neem tree. Okay, there is a gulmohar tree. Okay, so there is a banyan tree also. Okay, she find, wow, what a shade, what a big tree there. Okay, she was wandering here and there, and she's dancing. She was dancing. She was singing a song and enjoying this atmosphere. Okay, she never seen before. They never seen before in the city area. Okay, she's really like this atmosphere. Okay, the many trees there, the airy winds there, and many there is a shade of trees. Wow, it's so wonderful. Okay, there is a many fruit plant also there, just like a mango tree. Okay, mango tree. There is a papaya tree. There is a banana tree also. Okay, see, identify the fruit and how to grow on a tree. Okay, so she shows some creepers also. Okay, creepers also, some vegetables there on this. Okay, some climber also. Okay, so the watermelon there. Okay, some vegetables also there. Okay, there is a climber of grapes also. Okay, so many fruit and vegetables are there. Okay, so inform about some crops. There is a farm. Okay, then they inform about inform about some crops. Okay, there is a wheat, there is a rice. Okay, so all inform. Okay, it's one type of information. Okay, when we go with our parents, our grandparents, then we see what's the what when we ask the question of them. Okay, what is this? Okay, how it is grow and what happened. Okay, which types of fruit and which types of crops grow on this plant, on these trees. Okay, and then you ask the question, then they inform you. Okay, so it's a one type of education. Okay, when we achieve that. Okay, so it's a very nice atmosphere. Okay, if you have any plant, if you have any orchard. Okay, if you have any vadi, we can say vadi, then you go there and you find the trees and what is the grow on it. Okay, and you find what is the rose plant, many plants there you can find there. Okay, and it's a very nice atmosphere of you. Okay, now we have some exercise of the chapter number 11. Okay, you can see here. Okay, in the orchard there is a true or false. Now this chapter 1, flowers grow in forests. It's a right or wrong. Then flowers grow in forests. Flowers grow in forests. It's a right or wrong? So it is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because flowers not only grow in a forest, it is also grow in our houses also. When we plant in a pot, okay, then it is grow. Now second, a rose can only be pink in color. Okay, rose can only be pink in color. It is right or wrong? So it is the wrong. Rose have many colors, just like red, yellow, white, pink. Okay, there is a many colors also. Okay, dark pink, light pink. Okay, light yellow, all. Now the gulmohar is an example of a flower growing on a tree. The gulmohar is an example of a flower growing on a tree. It is right or wrong? So gulmohar is an example of a flower growing on a tree. There is a flowers tree. Okay, it's a tree, but there is a row of flowers. Now the Kabir word. Okay, Kabir word. It's a word means the banyan tree. Okay, the Kabir word, which is in Bharuch district, is very huge tree. Okay, Kabir word. Kabir word means it's a very big banyan tree. Okay, there is only one tree, but it's spread all over many areas out there, many area covered up there. So the Kabir Wad, which is in Bharuch district, is a very huge tree. It is right or wrong? So it is a right. Okay. Now in the orchid there is some true or false. There is a many exercise in your book. Okay, you can do it and you observe the plants and trees. Okay, and now it's the chapter number 11 is over. Okay, then we are on the chapter number 12. Okay. Okay, then we are on the chapter number 12, changing times. Okay, it's a story of one of the child. Okay, like you, but we can say some changings. Okay, in our life also. Okay, when we are very small, the our condition means our situation of our parents, our life is changing day by day. Okay, day by day it's changing. Okay, there is a one of the story of the, it is a story of Neela Bai. Okay, it was many years, 17 years ago. It is a story about the Neela Bai story. Okay, when he was 10 years old. Okay, like you, but at that time now he was retired man. Okay, the time passed. Then it was a story of when he was 10 years old, but now he was retired. So means now he is aged. Okay, so it's the story of Neela Bai. It's a story about 17 years ago when our country divided in two part. Okay, there is India and Pakistan also. So some people's when there is a country of one, some people lives in Pakistan area, and some people lives in India's area. Okay, so when they divide in a country divided by two part, then it's Pakistan the separate country and India is the separate country. So because of that, there is the parents of the Neela Bai decided to move to India country. Okay, they live when it is a area there which is in Pakistan area. So they moved from this Pakistan area to Indian area. Okay, and some Indians at that time lives in India country. They moved to Pakistan. Okay, so it's a very sad situation there to move to another place. Okay, but Neela Bai does not like that. There is a many friends, means many people moved from one place to another. Okay, with their whole there is a whole things just like bullock cart. Okay, their things they move. Okay, move like banjaras also. So they moved in one country to another country, and they are enter in India to Dholavira in Kutch. Okay, so sometimes they live in a tent and other places. Okay, but then after the decide of Neela Bai's father make their own house. Okay, own house. So they will start to make houses. Okay, just like a kacha house. Okay, then they collect some soil. Okay, and mix with dung of cows. Okay, so they mix there and the mother of Nilabai is mixed there, and her father starting make a wall from stone and other bricks, okay, and starting a bricks, and her mother make a floor, okay, with the ducks of cows and buffaloes, okay, and they also the boys also help to make this, okay, and they make a one rooms house, okay, and it was a time pass then, okay, there is a time passed away, then the Nilabhai grow up, okay, they become a very young. So the Nilabai decide to make when it's a time to marry him. So they decide to make one room, another one room to add in this room, okay, because the new woman, okay, the bride will come there, so they decide there, and they make a new houses, but at that time they make a just a pakka house, like use bricks there, using cement, iron, okay, and the roof of this room is make a pakka, just like making a cement, okay. So then the time passed also, and they make a new kitchen, they make a big kitchen also, the kitchen they set a chula, okay, set a chula, and the wife of Nilabai make a roti and all things on these chulas, okay. Then the time passed away, the Nilabai's sons and daughters they are also grown up, okay, and it's a time to marry to Nilabai's Nilabai's sons. So now they decide to make a new houses, okay. New means just a pakka houses, okay, just like there is a one or two floor, okay, because the new bride will come there, okay, and it's not sufficient place to live there, so they make new houses, okay, new houses. Now that time they may use iron and cement and all bricks, and this is just like a city types of, okay, they make a double houses, okay, and they make a toilet also, okay, they add some, they changing, okay, time passed away, they changing the house of them, okay. It's a story about the when the time passed away, our many things, okay, many facility we add in our life, okay. So there is in this house they add something all, and it's a make better to better, okay. And then it's then now the time of Nilabhai's grandson, okay, they lived in a city area, okay, they lived in a flat area. Flat area means there is a very big buildings there, and there is a separate houses of there. So they lived in a flat area, and they lived in a city area also. They are going to a market, in a mall, okay, they have a car, means many facilities they add there, okay. So time is changing, and we add some better, okay. Then it is a time, okay, our parents house and now our house, okay, and our future's house also different then, so we can add some facilities. So it is a story of Nilabhai, okay. So what is the time of 17 years ago, and now the time of, okay, it's a many changes of in a many field also, okay, not only the houses, many field, okay. Now we have no any vehicles, okay, now no any vehicles, okay. Then we use a bullock cart, okay, then we use a bicycle, then we use a bike, okay, then we use a rickshaw and all to go anywhere. Now we have a separate car, okay. And if we want to go any other country, then we have a plane facility, train facility, means many facility we can add in a changing a time, okay. Now it is a story of Neelabai, but we can change in many things, when day passed, year passed, then we can change the changing many things, okay. Now okay. And in many times our parents go to school by their legs, okay, walking, and now we have a facility, we have a van, okay, we have a school van too, okay. So it's a time passed and the changing of our life, okay. So we observed that, okay, what kind of difficulties they passed through. So now it's a story is Neelabai, okay. We learn about from him, his story. We think that it's a what's the time changing, okay. What's the time changing then, okay. So now the chapter is over. Then we have some exercise, okay. Changing times. There is a match the following. We can say there is some helpers, okay. They use the many things, okay. If you are a teacher, then you can use a chalk, duster, books, okay. And just like that, there is a potter okay, who is a make a pot, okay. The matka, we can say matka and all. Then potter use a potter wheel, okay. Potter use a potter wheels, okay. There is a wheel, they put a soil and they make a pot, okay. Then the carpenter who make many furniture and all, and he has always a carpenter label, okay. There is a label, they labeling there, okay. So carpenter is with a carpenter's label. Now the blacksmith, okay. Blacksmith who has a one type of anvil, okay. We can say hathoda, just like that. So blacksmith has a anvil, okay. They use it. And a mason is a use a mason's trowel, okay. Mason use a mason trowel. So now the match with E, okay. So it's a chapter number 12, the changing times, also completed, okay. I hope that you will understand better, okay. Now thank you.